Hello everyone, my name is Asim Gufar and are you watching my YouTube channel Cubic Soul. Today I'm here with new product. It's a third product, basically is a free open source. You can just download and install any WordPress website. The AI article generator. So you see it's an open source. Also attach this link in my video. Otherwise you can go the WordPress plugin and find and install it. So let's start the overview. Do you see there's a graph? So how many okay, let's start to APIs, AI engine, sorry. So basically this plugin supported by the all AI, not all AI engines. So first one, you can set here the which one do you want by default, like OpenAI, Google Gemini, DeepSeek, and add a key and save test connect, and also you can change AI version. Second, you want to change the type of the content, like a friendly and professional. Which content do you want to use, and set any length. Also, this plugin is supported by the multiple custom post types, so you can change and save any custom post type. Also, you can set here the which role and user want to use and install these features. So I'll give you example. I'm go to the post, refresh. Do you see this feature shown my meta box? So like blog intro. Okay, deep deep full content and grok and generate. You see is in a custom like a few seconds, and the connect content is generated. So you use it and copy or regenerate, like press the use it. So this content automatically copy in your any editor, this is the latest WordPress version, and the use is Gutenberg is the editor WordPress, and also the paste here. So you can save and use this plugin. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please paste on the comment. Thank you.